Shapes and patterns. Hello friends, can you recognize the shape of the sandwich? Clearly, the shape of the sandwich is a triangle. Now I am going to tell you about various shapes. A straight line is shown here. It has no end points and no corners. A curved line is shown here. It has no end points and it is not straight. A line segment is shown here. As you can see, it connects 2 points. Can you tell me how many types of straight lines are there? See, there are 3 types of straight lines. That is, horizontal line, it is sleeping. Vertical line, it is standing. Slanting line. As you can see various shapes on the screen, you may be thinking what these shapes are called. First, you should know about the term plane. Plane means on a paper. That means plane shapes can be drawn on a paper and they do not have depth. Plane shapes are also known as 2D shapes. They are made up of sides which are straight lines and corner points called vertex. Many vertex are called vertices. The various plane shapes are rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Square. A square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. All sides of a square are equal. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Circle. A circle has no sides and no vertices. Semicircle. A semicircle is half of a circle. Oval. An oval has a shape like that of an egg. It has no sides and no vertices. Friends, you know about triangle, square, circle and oval. These all are flat shapes. But objects like ball, die, cap, etc. are not flat. These shapes are called solid shapes. They are also called 3D shapes. For understanding the 3D shapes, first you have to learn about edge, corner or vertex and face, as you can see here. A line joining 2 vertices is known as an edge. A corner or vertex is the point where the edges meet. A plane surface of a solid object is called the face. Some of the solid shapes are cuboid. A cuboid is a 3-dimensional box-shaped solid object. It has 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. All the faces of a cuboid are rectangle. Cube. A cube is a cuboid with all edges of same length. It has 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. All the faces of a cube are square. A very interesting fact is that all cubes are cuboid, but all cuboids are not cube. Sphere. A sphere is a 3-dimensional shape. It is perfectly round in shape. It has no edges and no vertices. It has just one face, which is a curved surface. Cone. A cone has 1 vertex, 1 edge, and 2 faces. One of the faces is a curved surface and the other face is a plane surface. Cylinder. A cylinder has no vertex, two edges, and three faces. One face is a curved surface, and the other two are plane surfaces. So friends, now you know about the shapes very well. Friends, in your daily life, you may have seen these motions. This is known as sliding. Solids which have flat surfaces slide down a sloping surface. For example, cubes and cuboids. This is known as rolling. Solids which have a curved surface roll down a sloping surface. For example, sphere and cylinder. Friends, you have seen stars at the night. Sometimes when you see them, you notice different patterns, as here an arrow is shown, which is made by stars. There are patterns all around us. With patterns, you can discover new things and understand the world around us. But the thing is, what is a pattern? A definite sequence of figures, shapes, letters or numbers are called a pattern. The elements of a pattern follow a definite rule. Observe the sequence shown here. This is the sequence of the paws of a walking animal. So, this sequence forms a pattern. This is a pictorial pattern because it is shown with the help of pictures or images. Here you can see the number 1, which is repeated in a very interesting manner. You can observe that the number 1 keeps on increasing with every next number. This is known as number pattern because they follow a certain sequence. So friends, today we learned about various flat and solid shapes and also about the pictorial and number patterns.